You're feeling really confused about your foundation repair plan and you don't know what each part of this means. Taking a look at this thing, there's a lot of different emblems, different shapes, a whole bunch of information, and it can be really confusing. Trust me, when I first started doing this, following these plans myself, and I was like, what on earth is that? To understand the confusion, let's take a look at what each piece of the drawing means. I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair. I've been doing these drawings myself now for a few years. I can explain this to you in a way that might be a bit easier to understand. So for our drawing specifically, there's 3 different main shapes you're going to be seeing on this drawing. One's going to be a double circle. The double circle is going to be a regular exterior pier, just going outside in the dirt. There's no need to break through concrete or anything like that. Just going basic, old school in the dirt. So the other common shape you're going to be seeing on your drawing is going to be the double box. That's going to be a breakout pier. That's a pier where we have something prohibiting us from being able to just dig straight in the dirt, whether that be concrete, maybe you have a porch or a deck or something there. Other shape that you might see on your drawing is going to be the double triangle. That's going to be an interior pier. They're very easy to notice. We only put them on the interior of that drawing. There's a few other shapes you could see on your drawing. There's also going to be some little camera emblems. They're little blue camera emblems. Those are just photos that we took during the inspection process that show the different signs and symptoms of settlement around your home. The other shape you might see, there could be a dark blue line on a addition piece of your home, where we're just signifying we're going to be putting a steel bracket there, or the other one is going to be an angled dark blue line, which is also going to be signifying that we're putting in a steel bracket there as well. You'll see ACs and just other things that signify different objects around your house that we're going to be working around. Other than that, that's pretty much it for your drawing, and hopefully this gives some more clarification as to what each piece of the drawing is. If you do have any other further questions, feel free to give us a shout back. Love to explain it out to you. I will also put some links down in the description here that do a little bit more in-depth